Karibu tena mtazamaji, na sasa tuelekee viwanjani. Zaidi ya watu 17,000 wanatarajiwa kushiriki makala ya 5 ya mbio za Nairobi City Marathon ambazo zitaandaliwa tarehe 7 mwezi Juni. Waandalizi wa mbio hizo wanasema kwamba wanatarajia mbio hizo kufikia viwango vya mbio za hadhi ya juu duniani.
From the public, this is not only about our top athletes. It is about the participation of the Kenyans themselves, that they have come out in numbers to ensure that this marathon can live on. But the 17,000 runners is not the only headline today, because this year, the Nairobi City Marathon is also proud to announce an elite field that will take your breath away. Ladies and gentlemen, these are not just fast runners. These are some of the finest marathon athletes on the planet, and they are coming here to Nairobi.
The nurturing of the talent as well, and the youth development. As you can see, most of the people who join this marathon are young at heart, young and upcoming young. So it's usually, you're touching the heartbeat of everybody in the Nairobi city.
It is not an easy job, but at the end of the day, we have to make sure that the athletes are safe and they're running on a road that actually meets the standards. We've also been working closely with Stockholm Environment Institute to fit air quality monitors along the Nairobi Expressway.